Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Cyberpunk wings in Dresden Press. Okay guys, the Dresden Press has just announced that they will collaborate with Twitch and they will give us this special item, the Cyberpunk wings, and I'm going to show you how we can get this item. And for your information, this event will be released on Sunday, 29th of June. And make sure you follow the event to get this limited item. Okay guys, to get this Cyberpunk wings, you can join the Twitch. You can install Twitch on your mobile phone or on your computer, and then you can join the event. So you need to watch his Dresden Press on Twitch for at least 30 minutes after the update release on Saturday. And then you can watch any content creator playing DTI. And after 30 minutes, your unique code will be unlocked in your Twitch drops section. Then all you need to do is hop in the game, click the codes menu, and redeem it. Okay, so you need to stay tuned guys because it's very limited. But don't worry guys, because Twitch supports picture-in-picture, so you can watch while doing something else. Okay guys, and that's all for the tutorial. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will get this Twitch Cyberpunk wings in Dresden Press. See you in the next video guys.